Welcome to American Dream TV. I'm your host, Lorre Wilson. Together we will discover, connect, and bring light to our tri-state communities in West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky in selling Appalachia. Let's get started. The future of Sandy's Casino, also known as Sandy's Racing and Gaming in Ashland, Kentucky, seems promising based on its initial impact and plans. The facility is spanning more than 74,000 square feet, including a sportsbook betting lounge, over 700 slot games, and aims to create significant economic impact in Eastern Kentucky. And it's a pretty fun place to win big. Rachel, I'm so glad to meet you.
Yes, you as well.
What a wonderful impact this is having on our entire tri-state area. What have you seen so far in job growth?
We hired over 200 local tri-state workers. Like you said, it's not just Ashland. We really have that draw to the tri-state. We want to make sure we always hone in on that. We built this on our local providers and community. So all of the tradesmen and union workers, we had over 200 from this area, build it from the ground up. That was another big thing. It costs a little more, but the work is it's so worth it. And it's just so exciting to see something like this for the people of this area, because up until now, this wasn't an option. You know, our career choices were very limited.
Yes, the sportsbook room was pretty impressive.
It is the best in the area. You won't find anything like it probably in the state of Kentucky. We have 3 cinema-sized screens, all broken into different games. Recliners, couches, booths, high tops, anything you could want. So all of our machines, we have over 660, and we say slot-like games. Okay. They are the exact same as you play anywhere else. We have Buffalo Gold, Devil's Lock, Wheel of Fortune, all the ones that people know and love. Okay. But they're HHR machines, and HHR machines pay out in more jackpots than most standard slot games. Just this past weekend, we had 2 20,000 plus jackpots and several 10,000 and over jackpots. And that is definitely our main goal, is an enjoyable experience for every single person who walks in the door, no matter what they're coming for. Like we said, music, entertainment, sports, games.
Today we are visiting with my friend, Christy Addington. Christy is a real estate agent based in Ashland, Kentucky. She and her business partners are currently renovating a gorgeous 100-year-old home in historic Bellefonte, Kentucky. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about, you formed a small company. We did. With a few partners. Yes. What prompted you to get into this business?
So my daughter has been just dying to do this. She has wanted to flip a house for a long time. And I was talking with 2 other friends of ours, who couple Paula and David Fletchers. We came and looked at this one and saw the possibilities in taking this 100-year-old home and giving it character and life again.
So what kind of finishes have you put into the house that are new and not original?
We put a stone facade on the outside. We're putting stone around the fireplace that matches the stone facade. In one room we have a granite countertop, but we flipped it and it's going to be a leather countertop.
Nice.
There's a couple things that have been left, such as the original flooring on this main floor.
And the beams in the kitchen. I love the beams in the ceiling in the kitchen. They're beautiful.
So we've tried to keep a lot of the same feel to the house and the characters of the house, and then just tried to enhance upon it.
Thank you for joining us today. I'm Lorre Wilson, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time right here sharing the American Dream.